y'all, I wanted to show you this new dog dryer I got. And slicker brush I got off the TikTok shop. So there's my wet wiener dog. And there, see, she doesn't even mind me for drying her. But, I mean, she's used to it.
Like she's falling asleep.
And she gets so relaxed that she starts falling asleep. And there's where I'm almost finished.
I don't need to turn it on because I'm gonna.
I love how her hair looks like crimped when it's almost done. But yeah, if you want your own, click the link below. You can see how much hair came off of her.
Should I get the fuck